we have last class, we have discussed what is genetics, basic unit of heredity, smallest unit in DNA is the functional unit. It helps in expression of characters. It is what is coined by Jonas Johansson, and the Mendel named it as a factor. Right? Later it is changed to Johansson, changed to the gene. Then allele. Allele is the form of alternate form of the character. Example, the characters of height. One is tall and dwarf, right? And there is other type, two type of this thing. Homozygous, both are same tall. This also dwarf, both are short. Okay, it's called homozygous. It is a single form. Therefore, then heterozygous is what? Tall and short, tall and dwarf, but always express in dominant character. Don't write, this is wrong. T and T, don't write it. Okay, this is better. It is always expressed in dominant character. Then next, phenotype and genotype. Phenotype, what you see, what it appears, like morphological characters. It is expressing character like what is that? This is called homozygous, tall. The homozygous, dwarf, like that. We have stopped after that. What do you mean by cross? That is what the male and female just join together. Then you got fusion will take place. A resultant is what it forms on first generation. Example here. Androsin from male, androsin from male, gynoecium from female. You'll get the resultant. You'll get a pure line, you can call this, called a pure line. Okay, this is called the first generation. So example, they'll call filial. This is the, what is the filial? Filial generation, first generation, second generation, third generation, and so on. Also, you'll get the first generation. Then all are self-pollinated. All are self-pollinated. So example, then another thing is what? Punnett square. Here what you write? This is a type of square, right? In which male and female. Here you write the character, right? T and T. Then this T and T. Here T and T. Here don't write small t and t. Again T and T and T and T. This is called Punnett square, where you can easily analyze. The next, self-fining. What is self-fining? This is called what? Self-fining means you get pure line, that is of generation, like a homozygous plant, you know, homozygous plant. Do self-pollination. Do self-pollination. Do self-pollination for 5 generations. This is first generation. Next one, second generation, third, fourth, and fifth. Then you'll get a pure line. You call it, is called pure line. So example, T. This is from same plant. Same plant. This is called self-pollination. That means androgen from same plant, androsium from same plant, gynoecium from same plant. You will get a pure line. See, suppose this also T and C. If you write T and T, multiply T and T, this is called, you'll get a pure line. What will get? The first generation will get what? T and T only. See, what is a monohybrid? See, if you take a plant, it is expressed in the form of, it calls a different character like seed, root, stem, color, and its flower and all. Each one will have one characters. right? And if you take seed alone, seed it may be round or straight and all that. If you take in the seeds of color, if you take different color, yellow color, wrinkle color, purple color, white color, but we only all these things we are not taking. We keep other things in all constant. We are taking only tall, height, TT, TT. If you take it, what will happen? You will get TT. This is called, used to give monohybrid form. Similarly, you have dihybrid form. Dihybrid form means I'll take two characters. Trihybrid form, I'll take three characters. So if you take dihybrid class, root RR. RR means round, yellow color, color and shape. Shape and color I'll take it. Here what? Height, shape and color. I'll take three characters. Here what? Small, capital R, small r. Capital Y, small y. What is that? Dihybrid character. Trihybrid character means what? Height, shape, color, round shape. Tall, small tall, R, small r, Y, Y are different. This is one of the things I have taken. Therefore, this is also called tri-hybrid cross. With this, we'll start the lesson, right?